Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be taking tutorial of Geetham number 1, which is Sreegananadha in the Raga Malahari. Actually, some of my friends have requested me to take tutorial on this Carnatic music, that to the easiest way to learn and to sing Carnatic music. So that's why I will be taking this tutorial in the most easiest way, okay, that a beginner can learn. So before we start the lesson, we should know something about this Malahari Raga. Some basic knowledge, that's it. So the first point is, Malahari is the derivative of 15th Melartha Raga, Maya Malogala. Okay. Then when we check its Arohanam and Avrohanam, we will notice that there are only 5 notes in the Arohanam. Arohanam is ascending order, and in the Avrohanam there are only 6 notes. So we say it as Audava Shadava Ragam. Audava means only 5 notes, Shadava means only 6 notes. That Arohanam and Avrohanam, that is 5 and 6. So we say it as Audava Shadava Ragam. Okay. One note is missing in that, because in total we need 7 notes in a scale, but here we have maximum just 6 notes. So one note is missing, and that is Nishada. Ni is missing there. So we say it as Nishada Varjiya Raga. Okay. And there are no foreign notes in this Raga Malahari. So we say it as Ubanga Raga. Okay. Then the Swarasthanams of this Malahari Raga is Sa Shurjam, Ri Shuddha Rishabha, Ga is Andara Gandharam, Ma Shuddha Madhyama, Pa is Panjama, Da is Shuddha Daivada. Okay. First of all, I need you all to sing just the straight notes. No need to use any slides or gamagams or any such usages in this beginner lesson. Okay. Let's go it in the straight and simplest way. And it will sound something like this. Sa Re Ma Pa Da Sa. Okay. Sa, that's the Arohanam. Sa Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. So that's the scale Malahari. So let's zoom into this lesson, Geetha number 1. For one phrase, for each phrase, I'll be using each breath. Okay. For each phrase, I'll be using each breath, because that's the way I teach my students. The first line, when we look, it is Ma Pa Da Sa Sa Ri. That's the first phrase. Ma Pa Da Sa Sa Ri. When we see this phrase, which is the simplest way to find the way to sing it, just look into this Arohanam, Sa Ri Ma Pa Da Sa. From there, we can sing Ma Pa Da Sa Sa Ri. I will teach you that technique. Okay. Arohanam is Sa Ri Ma Pa Da Sa. Right. Just eliminate the first 2 notes, that is Sa and Ri. Then we will get something like Ma Pa Da Sa. Okay. The rest 2 notes is Sa and Ri. Okay. If we are able to sing this scale Arohanam in this octave, Sa Re Ma Pa, like that, we will be able to sing the same scale in the higher octave too. Like Sa Re Ma Pa, like that. We need not need that Ma and Pa, just Sa and Re is needed. Sa Re. We got that, right? So when making it a phrase, it will sound something like this. Ma Pa Da Sa Sa Ri. That's the phrase. Ma Pa Da Sa Sa Ri. Okay. That's the first phrase. Now looking into the second phrase, it is Ri Sa Da Pa Ma Pa. So Ri Sa Da Pa Ma Pa. Ri Sa Da Pa. It is the Avrohanam of this scale Malahari. Sa Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. We don't need that Ga Re Sa and all. Sa Da Pa Ma. That's what we need. And just give Rishabha Ri in the starting. Ri Sa Da Pa. Okay. Next is Ma Pa. If we are familiar with the first phrase, then we will be able to sing this Ma and Pa, as that are the 2 notes that we have already sang in the first phrase. Ma Pa, right? So when we are phrasing it, it will sound like something like Ri Sa Da Pa Ma Pa. That's it. So the second phrase is also done. Then the third one, Re Ma Pa Dha Ma Pa. Ri, ma, pa, da. That's already in that Arohanam. Sa, re, ma, pa, da, sa. Okay, eliminate the first and the last sa. We will get re, ma, pa, da. Okay, then that ma, pa. We already know that ma, pa, the first thing, first phrase. Ma, pa. Okay, when connecting that also, re, ma, pa, da, ma, pa. Okay, so the third phrase is also done. Next, the fourth one. Da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Where can we find that? It is there in the Avarohana. Sa, da, pa. Sa, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Eliminate that sa. Da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Okay, it's done. The fourth phrase is also completed. Next is Sari, ma, geri. Sari, ma, a, geri. There we have an extra beat to be sustained for this ma. Sa, ri, ma, a, ga, ri. That's the way we count it, okay. Which means the ma note should be sustained for a beat. That's it. So, sari, ma. That's there in this Arohanam. Sari, ma. Okay, that's the way we should sustain it. Sari, ma. Then giri. That's there in this previous phrase also. Da, pa, ma, giri, sa. Okay. Gari. That's simple. So when we connect that, sa, re, ma, ga, re. Okay. Then sa, re, ga, re, sa. Sa, re, ga, re, sa. Okay. Then the rest is re, ma, pa, da, ma, pa. That we have already learned it in the third phrase, I guess. Re, ma, pa, da, ma, pa. Next is also just to repeat it. Da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Next is also repeat. Sa, re, ma, ga, re, sa, re, ga, re, sa. So that's the simplest way, the easiest way to learn this Geetham for just the beginners. Okay. So if you like this video, just subscribe to this channel for more. Okay. Because in the next video only I will be teaching this advanced way. I mean with these modulations, how to sing the Geetham. Okay. Bye.